In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix overheating on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might be finding that your iPhone is overheating in various conditions, so this is how to fix it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to swipe up, and make sure if you have anything open, you just swipe away from it, and this is going to remove any background processes that you have that are running on your phone. The next thing that you want to do is go over to your App Store. Once you're on your App Store, click your profile on the very top right. And from here, you want to scroll down and you want to go to your updates and you just want to press update all. This ensures that every app is working as it should and all the updates have been run. The next thing you want to do is you want to head on over to your settings app. Once you're on your settings app, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to click on battery, which is right under personal hotspot. From here, you're going to see a lot of different things, but what I would recommend if your phone is ever overheating is going onto low power mode. This is going to save a lot of battery, and low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So you can do that as well if you want to, but when you scroll down, you can actually see your activity and what applications are using the most battery. For example, as you can see, Discord for me is using the most battery by 45%, which is a lot more substantial than any other application that I'm using on my phone. So I can make sure that it's used minimally, and also what I can do is I can just tap on an app and it's going to show me my screen time as well on it. It says 28 minutes on screen, 9 hours 35 minutes in the background. That basically lets me know that I have Discord running in the background a lot of the time. So what I want to do is I want to swipe away from the app when I'm not using it. The final thing I would recommend doing is going back to your settings, going over to general and scrolling down until you find iPhone storage, and then just deleting anything that you don't need. If your iPhone is too close to its limit when it comes to storage, then clearing things up is going to help you a lot. And you can also look at iPhone's recommendations, which are very specific to you and your iPhone, and you can go over and do the things that iPhone suggests. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.